What's up, ladies and gentlemen, family, friends, whoever watching this video? well, well, it's a small world, y'all. It's a small world, you understand? well, what I want to talk about, okay? I mean, these days, you never know who. You understand? It's a small world. You hear me? Mm-hmm. It's definitely a small world, okay? So, if you're watching this on YouTube, y'all know who this man Greg is. Okay, appeared in my videos. Okay, if you're watching this on YouTube, but if you're watching this on Facebook right now, y'all don't know who I'm talking about. All right. I mean, mention my family name. This man named George. He say he know my family, my aunties, my mama's sisters. I'm talking about. You know, and Mama Tommy. Okay, Mr. Greg, he told me that that they used to play in say Raymond Coat or whatever, or somewhere. But whatever that is, that probably was before I was even born. Okay, I mean, you never know who. You know, it's a small world. You know, hmm and for some reason, God don't make mistakes. You know, God do not make mistakes. When when God tell you to make amends with somebody, sometimes you got to do it. You know. hmm So broke her arm or whatever. How she broke her arm picking up something heavy? Too skinny to pick up something that heavy. You understand? I don't think she broke it. I think she sprung her arm. As far as that. hmm Yep. So so I must say I do apologize now for doing my show and stuff like that, talking bad about this somebody, you know, but that was uncalled for. Okay, so this man Greg, he said he know my family. He mentioned my mama name, you know. Yep. So George is his name. He mentioned my mama name, you know. So wow, they say that they used to live on Hamburg in a Saint Bernard project. Wow. Hmm. Well, you never know. It's a small world, you know. All right. So, I mean, it's close to the holidays, you know. It's definitely close to the holidays. You know what I mean? Okay. Yep. It's close to the holidays, y'all. Mm-hmm. Yep. It is. It's definitely close to the holidays. You know. Thanksgiving first. Well, I say Halloween first. Halloween, Thanksgiving, you name it. You know what I mean? All right. Yep. Like I said, it's a small world, you know? Uh huh. Yep. So, and another thing I want to say, got to take heed on things, you know? So, if that person mean you no good, stay away from that person. They can't leave you alone. File a restraining order on that person. If that person cannot leave you alone, constantly calling you and stuff like that, harassing you and stuff like that, and trying to manipulate you from your family and friends and stuff like that, and then you don't want to be bothered with that person, put a restraining order on them. You know, I'll talk about that on my next video, y'all. Okay, but then again, it's a small world, you know. Like they say, you never know who. You know, you never know who. You know. Uh huh. Yep. We all know somebody. You know. Who know who? You never know who. You know. And I'm very happy about that. You know. Okay. All right. So that's all I gotta say. All right. I gotta call my auntie up and talk to her. You know. All right. To let her know that I made it home. All right.